Hi guys, today we will unbox this Godox AD300 Pro Mark II. It's a speedlight outdoor flash with the battery, and I just bought it today, and I'm going to show you what's inside. There we will make photos with this speedlight. It's a powerful one. I have tried the first version, Godox 300 Pro first version from a friend of mine last year, and I like how powerful it is, so I bought this. It's a new version, the second one. Let's go to see what's inside. Okay, this is the light itself. It is very heavy actually. I didn't know that it's so heavy. It should be 1 kilogram and 100 gram. 1100 grams. Okay. This is the light. I'm going to take off this one. It's the light bulb protector. Here's this. See what's inside here. So here we have more. This is the battery. I don't know if it is charged, but we will going to see now. Is this one? Yeah, I have to charge it because it is uncharged for the moment. Here we have this. Is the same that I have it with the Godox 100 ML2, ML100B. We have here more. I'm going to show you everything what I have for this thing. Okay, it has its own. Thanks God they put it. It has its own charger. I don't know if it's a fast charger because there is. It's written here. Here. Is there any indicator? Yeah. As you can see here, it's uncharged, so it has to be fully. Okay, guys. Just to show you the things that we have here. This will be the mount. Okay, I figured it out last time with this thing because it's on the same side, and it's not handy at all. For me it works this way, on this side, like this, and this one has the has a lot of space. But you see here, why they do this I don't understand, but anyways, it's not a good thing, but I guess it's just for compact things, but I don't like it. And also this one, this is the same as on my Godox ML100B. This is a little bit bigger, but everything is the same construction. So I took this off because I don't need it for the umbrella at the moment. If I'm going to need it, I will put it. Now I need space to make it here, for example. We will going to try it today with my cats and probably also with me. I don't think that it's easy with me because I don't have a trigger to fire the camera from the distance, so it's not going to work. So I have to photograph my cats to show you. Okay, this is how it works. This I'm going to put it here, and as always the case is very nice, build quality, it's sturdy. I like the Godox cases, I really like them. Yeah, they build nice cases. Also this one, this is bigger from the ML100B, and I wanted to try this. It should work because it has the same, but no, it will not work because this is bigger. But anyway, it's not made for this, so you see, it's a Fresnel, so it's a Fresnel for the LED light, LED. Okay, so I have this one here, and let's, for now, the second thing is this. I have the Nikon Z6 Mark III, and my goodness, I choose this one for the moment. In the future maybe I will buy the touchscreen one. I wanted to see with this one because it has all these knobs, and I like to play with knobs. This will go here, and this should go there. And okay, so now I have to study also this because, and okay, I have here because I don't know how to use it. Okay, I have to buy new. Anyways, ugh, I don't like it. How can I take it off? It's, oh, not good, very bad. Godox, mother. No, it's not good. It's stupidly made, actually. You need something to take it off. Thanks God this is a good one, not to break it, and otherwise I will break it. But with the nails it's impossible to take it off. It's very sturdy inside. I need batteries. Okay, I have two batteries new. Anyways, let's finish to charge the battery of the lamp, and then I will show you more things. Okay, this is the light itself, and should I put the battery? So this is the small modifier, and I can use here any of the modifiers that are good also for my LED light, Godox ML100B continuous light, and I have this one. So this is a parabolic softbox Godox AD S85S. S85S. Okay. See, you see it? Yeah. And it has this mount for this one, but I have to put it on the floor in order to put it normally, because otherwise it is too much pressure on the light, and this one might be damaged. So I always put it on the floor. Anyways, I think I will show you now how I do it. Basically, I want to show you the parabolic. I have this parabolic for 6 months already, and I'm super happy with it. It's very good one. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put. Basically, this is how it looks. Yeah, it's easy to put it. I just have to put it like this, and it's ready. It is fast and good quality. Okay, and now I'm going to put the light on it. So the light, it goes like this, and it's on. Now we have the light with the parabola, with the softbox. This is how it looks, the softbox. Of course, it has also, I didn't do the review of this softbox. It's the first time I'm showing it on the channel, but it's very, very good one. All the softboxes must be like this, easy to put, easy to open. It has also here a thing for easy access and operation, and also it has many other things that can be used. These are for here. These are for using like a beauty dish type of put inside. Then it has a double diffusion. So it has this one which goes inside here, and then the second layer of diffusion goes on this here, and then I have also the grid, which is this one. So, and something else here. I have another reflector, two types of reflectors. These are very bad pouches. Godox didn't want to probably to pay for normal pouches. These are, where is that one? Here. This broken one of it. No, this one, it's another one which is broken and from those things. And here inside I have another type of like this with pattern. It's not very visible on camera, but it has a pattern on it. And this is just a white reflector. So that's pretty much it. So this modifier I can use also with my continuous light, which is now here, the Godox ML 100B. So it has the same thing. But I also bought something else I'm gonna show you. So I have this one, which is for this small mount, and it is also on another side. It is for the bounce. So I bought it just in case. I have it just in case I need it when I will use bounce mounts. So I will demonstrate it how it works. Basically, here I have this. This is the mount inside. It's a small one. Yeah, and this is for the bigger one, for the bounce. So I just put it here like this. And I don't have any bounce modifiers to show you, but you see how it works. Yeah. When I need it, I'm gonna use it. So far, I'm super happy with my umbrella, and I want to also to buy a beauty dish, although the umbrella can be used like the beauty dish also, with those modifiers that it put inside. That's pretty much it. Yeah.